Do you need a production line that is easy to operate and runs continuously? Do you need to increase your productivity? Do you need a machine that runs product A today and product B tomorrow? Do you need individually customized functions because you would like to optimize your workflow? Wait, we have exactly what you need. In engineering, we focus directly on your demands. From here, we develop a wide range of efficient production line concepts for your production. We call this the K system for short. With our 3 product lines and clever solution packages, we offer you exactly those functions you wish to have. At Koch, you can immediately find what you need. Do you need a high-quality machine that fulfills your functions with reliable precision and pays off quickly? The baseline carries out your special tasks and works profitably from day one. Do you want a larger range of functions for more options in manufacturing? Then rely on the Pro line and immediately benefit from its flexibility and additional advantages. Or you decide on the individual and perfectly matched production line concept. Optimize production and workflow thanks to Select Line and Maximum Performance. As you can see, with Koch, you produce directly for the market with every solution. Benefit from our outstanding experience and development expertise, no matter which product line or equipment option you choose. Always the right, high-quality solution, all from one source, under one roof. Make sure you get leading quality and the highest availability with Koch. Especially for you, we have developed things even further. You can rely on the K system, because Koch offers you a lifelong partnership. This means even after starting the operation, you won't be left alone. Take advantage of our worldwide service options. Online analysis, inspection, and fastest possible delivery of spare parts ensure maximum performance of your production. As you can see, the K system leads directly to quality. Whether it's pure function, additional flexibility, or the best possible tailoring to your individual production. For each of your demands, you will find the suitable production line concept in our clever solution packages. Our 3 production lines, Base, Pro, Select, and their practical equipment options offer you exactly those functions you wish to have.